Hi everyone, my name is Isabela. I'm a biologist from São Paulo State University, and today I present to you my master's experiment. Environment enrichment is a promising strategy that increases the amount of stimuli the animals interact with, creating new connections between brain areas. Meanwhile, exercises can reinforce those connections, decreasing dementia and other age-related diseases. Zebrafish is a worthwhile model used in neuroscience because this fish presents senescence similar to humans, shares brain neurochemical pathways, and elucidates core mechanisms between vertebrates. Here, we investigated the effects of environment enrichment with intense physical activities on memory and spatial learning in old zebrafish. All animals were at least 3 years old. We used natural structure like tree trunk, natural vegetation, and rocks of different sizes used for substrates and shelters, EAE. Those fish that exercised were forced to swim against a pump-generated flow of water during increasing sessions of high-intensity exercise. Meanwhile, sedentary ones were not exposed to this current. 4 treatments were proposed: environment enrichment and exercises, environment enrichment, exercises, sedentary and monotony. It lasted during 60 days. Physical activities started from the 40th day, and the power pump was changed to a higher one in half of the treatments that were exposed to daily exercises. All fish were trained in 3 different positions, 3 repetitions per position, to find a rewarding shoal in a maze before the final probe that didn't have any trials. Here, the position 4 represents the final configuration of the maze. It lasted during 10 consecutive days. We evaluated the latency to interact with the shoal or performance, the latency to make the first wrong choice or stay on the roof, and the total number of errors or exploration of every fish. We validated the apparatus and performed statistical tests through the mixed model. We also did preliminary morphological analysis. Performance, permanence on the roof, and exploration were not influenced by exercises, EE, or its association in old zebrafish. There was cell proliferation in various regions of the brain in animals with different treatments. Intense exercises in old individuals can act as a metabolic stressor with deleterious effects. New environments, as the maze, improved the spatial learning in sedentary and monotony fish. For those ones who hasn't any stimuli, changing position represented a new challenge, acting as cognitive enrichment. Also, the CNS requires some level of plasticity to maintain its integrity and functions. The maze had the same volume but a bigger area, and intertidal fish, as zebrafish, has bigger preoptic area compared to other fishes. So, a smaller water column in a larger area would not be a problem. Actually, it could work better once fish swim and can explore the environment using z-axis as well, like flying vertebrates. We conclude that structural enrichments associated with intense and continuous exercise do not improve memory and spatial learning in old zebrafish. I would like to thank São Paulo State University, the CAPES funding agency, and my study group.